Welcome back to another Future Me video. This one we've been super excited about for a while now. We had an 8th grade student reach out saying that he wanted to be a pro skateboarder when he grows up. So we connected him with Madars Apse. If you don't know who he is, Madars Apse is a professional skateboarder and Red Bull sponsored athlete, and he was kind enough to answer Liam's questions today. So to Madars, thank you for coming through on this video. We really appreciate it. And to Liam, keep chasing that dream, and we hope this video inspires you. It's definitely possible, and we all are cheering you on. Good luck.
My name is Liam, and I would like to know how you would get noticed when trying to become a pro skateboarder, and how you would get sponsored. And also, a quick bonus question, how you would meet new people, because right now I have no one to skate with. It's just kind of difficult, but those are just my questions. So, yeah.
What's up, Liam? How you doing? This is Madars Apse, and I'm a pro skater. And for me, it took me a lot of contests at first. I would used to go to all the contests in my home country. I'm from Latvia. Used to do contests there, and then slowly start to go to contests outside of my country, and that's how I would meet all these other skaters as well. So then I got to go and stay at their place, hang out with their crew, film their videos. And even when I was back home in Latvia before I turned pro, I would always make video parts. So that kind of helped me too, because then I would show the Element Europe team manager, I would show him my video part, and then whatever all the medals I got at some contests. But that's how it worked for me. So for you, you could try to do the same thing, skate contests, perform as good as you can, or maybe you want to take the artsy route and be like Mark Gonzalez or who knows, art skaters. But mainly just go skate a lot. You gotta skate a lot. You have to be good on it. You have to be ready to skate at all times. Go on tours, meet friends, try to find somebody else who skates, and then film each other, skate with each other, get inspired, and maybe move to California, and because that's where all the filmers are. That's the dream, but whatever. You can still do it from home too, I'm sure. Just gotta stay creative, and as you say, get noticed. So, I don't know. Contests and live, face-to-face action, meeting people in person, that's a great way to start as well. Take care, dude.
Thanks for watching another one of our videos. If you'd like to be in an upcoming video because you've got questions about your future, you can learn more at our website at futureme.ca. And if you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. Share it with your friends, your family, even your classrooms. It would go a long way in helping us out, but we're also super excited to bring you along on this journey with us. We've got some really interesting conversations coming up in some future videos, but we don't want to spoil it. So we'll leave it at that. We'll see you in the next one, and take care. Thanks, guys.